Yo ebusia masan agima konya aha fabulous omidi edi King Kobe King Tere Kobe so what ya say aha say it's nasia fabulous Asante Kotoko aha the Porcupine Warriors kuma pema apembeba Africa Club of the Century and no ehun sem na ye de biem na ye nyina enim this long time program where by check Metro TV Good Evening Ghana with Paul Adom Ochre. Yes, Paul Adom Ochre na same program amoye no mo hosti our diaspora manager I friend Oba Denta. What I say then or no ena Good Evening Ghana moto nsa friend no na nkomo no twetwe ne koso no omudru listeners messages no mo share no viewers messages no and I just say messages bind me brainer no mu bisa Paul Adom Ochre say bisa Denta na onka kotoko ho asem oma updates there na ekọ ebi mo say ye pewa asem bi mo say oh we cherish you so much, we love you, just say messages bind. It was overwhelming and you could see from Denta ni faces ni facial expressions actually na any depass and for bona basono what I say na we na Paul Adom Ochre the host of Good Evening Ghana no obisa Denta so no so ekotoko ni say Paul Adom Ochre no so fabulous what I say fabulous in the say be titri for no join fabulous what I say unji hu ni so ye titri akodwan sa yanom for no enti obisa Denta say na den ekoso ewo Asante Kotoko na odin say me break to just say enche season no ebe start na Dakodachi or my updates for Dakodachi on enche on mewie okay about the jerseys no new jerseys no enche bebana they want the membership no official member we Kotoko na uji hu di say ampa we Kotoko ni the official membership registration no so beba so people should patronize that one that so no ebeba no and just all the same bibre to jamo man kwiti Denta and same or the two about the updates about Kumasi Asante Kotoko Emra.
Management member of your favorite club, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, African Club of the Century.
Yes. We'll talk about that.
Yeah, and from Stone Gade, well done Denta, watching you live from Dubai. From Linda Anglo, Beauty with Brains, kudos Denta. From Edu Jemfi Denta, I want to work with you. Ajimano Pambo, Paul, please ask Denta about Asante Kotoko. And Mohammed Zakib, Mr. Paul, can you tell your panelists that I love him? From Ajimano Pambo, Denta, the Porcupine family adores you greatly. And from Philip Amponsa Pebi, Madam Denta is a bold and intelligent lady. We Kotoko supporters love her and cherish her. Fabulous. Kotoko will work again in Jesus' name.
Before I come to the rest, so what's up with Asante Kotoko? What's up with that?
Oh, I mean,
we didn't end the season well though, but I hear we're in Dubai.
It's not how we wanted to end the season, but I think, sometimes that is football. You don't win all. But this year we are prepared to win the league. We've got some new players, we've got a new coach, and we're really going to be putting, and when you talk about Asante Kotoko, the season, we've only been there for one season.
Your team, your management team.
The management team. Yeah. But if you look at the branding, if you look at, what we've managed to achieve, the sponsorship that we have raised during COVID, no team has been able to achieve that. And so we are a team that has an amazing CEO, Nanaya Waponsa, who has a great vision. Our training ground is going to be ready very soon. Yes, it's going to be very ready.
Is it going to be ready soon?
Yes, it's going to be ready.
They say Pobiman is going to be ready before ours.
No, it won't.
We will be ready before then. Okay.
They should slow down. Our one is going to be ready. And we're putting we're going to be starting the membership as well.
The drive for membership.
Yes, the drive for membership.
You want us to pay some money?
Yes, you have to pay some money. That's how it's normally done.
Yeah,
you pay your season tickets. We're going to be doing that. Ticket Lake is, supporting that, and we have our new jersey coming out as well. So we want everybody to patronize that and,
But we have to win on the field. Are we going to win?
Oh, on the
All
field,
of this is great, but we have to win. We have to beat Hearts of Folk. We have to score them. We have to score them, 3-0,
We're gonna beat Hearts.
Yes. and not any dentan some of the two about Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko updates na mo peno and a dental bonnet of our honor hand or say hat dear season year be dear don't worry be go upon some I say much about 5 years so when you ash about kunti so mo kasabe bray and fairness na Jemra ada news so na Kesbin say Kesbin no na say the agenda na omudi biomudi so some against Asante Kotoko na say over the weekend news on moye endra Saturday name say we dem say na nya agenda mo kofa referee bi by referee na mantini din referee no conversation e course na kam peni din but mantini din but referee na some of the two and say oje some match be against na Kotoko and Heart na ebo game number oje penalty it's a Heart to folk na penalty na okoje against Heart to folk na just referee's manager I friend Alex Cote or Jinifi referees him just or retired by force says a penalty na okoje ye ne die na entwa yi so register penalty netia asa etia Heart to folk it's the referee's manager Alex Cote ono and I referee's manager into the bufu ye sad it's not referee no koje penalty into Heart to folk e say asem we call CAF call FIFA ni nyina referee na sem odi bem che say penalty no je no na efibie ni ho against Heart to folk but Alex Court is chinchina penalty no adi no koje ni bufu into shada obeyi ne di no shada ka che ne say okra age no 38 years into ntimi ni nya adwuma biem and I the mu jini fi referees nim agenda we na ka say some people be on my that some way young who say they want to mafia as what I say. On my boy, I'm some boy bro. Now case I call CAF, I call FIFA. Now referee with Dibema. What Ghana ha? What should I call for age? Say age in and 38 years into 20 years juma into Sadia Snab Sanchain. Nina say or J penalty tia Heart to folk referee na nyene de of friend question mo de woman you could see some number.
Age no 38 na mama drop. Yes. So no one catch us. Referee's manager. And catch us. And can be Mr. Alex Cote. Alex Cote na say ono na me ne kasa Alfonso. And I must who say referees be ebro 40 ebro 38. Oh and the list no carry on my phone so say referees go into list no on my phone so 42 ni na. Be war free division 1 me anya against those on mobile listings but age wise na ye dey bomb. Ye oka asensi su dua CDP and say penalty na oje no Alex Cote anya the demo akoka try say you were wrong. Yes. And until no you were free so ma on the referee Ghana. Yes. Wow. I think we see as 70p. Anamiwa. Yes. When the person can phone so na but we say asem no. And but you oba asem no okay okay. Okay sir. First of all, at the time we could do match now let's go to referee. And no your experienced referee. I call your interview on Joy FM right. I can't say brand ni kwa so just penalty no. Okay. And no akoje. Na tifu counter. And I'm paying for friend. And no team defending no. And a tifu so counter there. Alex Scott. And a referee no koye no mo penalty. Eyi. Ako CAF ba yo. Ako CAF ni FIFA ba. Case ni ko CAF ni FIFA ba my say papa e dibem. Fast forward, Alex Cote becomes referee's manager in the country, and the man is finished. Now before say first interviewer, he appointed as a referee's manager, or see any referees. Me by appointing me referees.
Yes, and I'm say ewo masum no nti etim say agenda no the endorse agenda to bring the Porcupine Warriors down. Endorse papa. But and then you shall so what I say you can't touch a blessed soul. What I say, yeah, no, you can't put inside you until you're there. You still we are there because any more than mention. See, if I'm say I have a fabulous within the King Kobe for Porcupines by Porcupines.